Once when Ratchet was just a little Lombax, he was asleep in his bed when all of a sudden he woke up when he heard a loud noise and he saw lightning flash against his window and he said, "I'm scared. I want my mommy," he said. And then he got up and he ran to his mommy and said, "Mommy, wake up." "What's wrong, baby? What's the matter?" "What's the matter, Ratchet? Are you okay?" she said, picking up her little Lombax. "What's the matter, sweetie?" "I'm scared." "What are you scared of?" The thunder. I saw lightning and loud noises are scary. And the loud noises are hurting my ears, Mama. Shh. "It's okay, baby, it's okay," said his mommy, hugging him gently and rubbing his little back. "It's all right, baby, it's all right," she said, rubbing his back gently and giving him a kiss. There, baby, it's okay." "Mommy?" "Yes, baby?" "Can I have Milky the special way?" "Of course you can. Come here." "Does it taste yummy?" "Mm-hmm." "Yummy Milky, Mama. Yummy Milky. Yummy, yummy in my little tummy." "Do you like Mommy's milk?" "Yes, I do, Mama." "Okay, sweetie, are you getting full?" "Mm-hmm." "Okay, let's burp you." There we go. Alright, let's... Oh, do you need a diaper change? Maybe. Okay, let's change you then. Come here. Alright, let's take off this. Alright, now let's clean your little booty. There we go. Now let's put some baby powder. And let's put on a new clean diaper. There we go. And now let's put your little PJs on. Okay. Mr. Teddy. Do you like Mr. Teddy, Ratchet? Yes, he's my best friend. I know he is. Who else is your best friend? Clank? Yeah, that is your best friend. Okay, sweetie, now it's time for bed. But I'm too scared. Can I sleep with you? Please, Mommy. Not tonight, Ratchet. You have to go to sleep in your own bed like a big boy. I don't want to sleep like a big boy. I want to sleep with you. No, not tonight, baby. Okay. Alright, let's lay you down right here. Okay, here's your little blankie. And a kiss. And then Mommy gonna tickle your tummy. Mommy. No, stop it. That tickles. My little Ratchet. Good night, sweetie. Good night, Mama. The end.